Welcome back, foodies, to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we'll be leveling up our baking skills yet again by making two different types of cookies. So we have milk chocolate and peanut butter, and then the classic just chocolate chip cookies. You just one moment, please. Half a teaspoon, right? But it's okay, that happens. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I want to add everything in the bowl. Carol's going to go over what you need.
Along with that flour is going to go 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of sugar.
Brown sugar. It's brown sugar.
Yes, brown sugar. And then 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, or that's that right there, so 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt.
All right, so now it's time to mix it all up. Okay, now that's all mixed in together. I'll go ahead and add in your mix-ins, whatever you want to put in there. It's totally up to you. Should I put the whole bag in there?
I feel like that's a lot.
We're gonna put in half of a bag.
Yeah, that's good.
And then it says to fold it in. Okay, this looks different than when I'm normally used to making cookies, but I'm sure it'll turn out delicious just the same. Okay, once everything is like fully incorporated, you want to go ahead and place them on your cookie sheet. While Kyra's setting up that and getting these cookies on, I'm going to go ahead and work on the other cookies we're making today. So same process, add everything in and mix it up. You can do it separately. Some people do wet ingredients off to the side, mix it together, and then like slowly add the dry ingredients. You can totally do that if that's what you want. I don't want you to do that today, so I'm not. Was salt added in that one? I didn't put it in there. Okay.
I think so. We had 2 different ones.
I want to go ahead, obviously, search through his salt in this. Yes, I do not want to over salt it. That guy's making me judge.
There's salt in there.
Okay, I fully mixed in everything. Now, some people say you can't eat the cookie dough because of salmonella, I guess. But you can totally eat the cookie dough if you want. No one's judging you. And no one's actually there to tell you no. So now I'm going to add in the chocolate chips. We have Hershey's chocolate chips for the second one. And then the first one, we did Toll House. Use whichever kind you want. Can I have my pumpkin spatula, please?
Yes.
Set pumpkin spatula. And now you just fold it in. Oh, it's like that one episode of Schitt's Creek. Where it's like, just fold it in, David. And I was like, well, what does that mean? She was just fold it in. And I was like, well, how? What does that mean? She's like, David, I can't teach you everything.
I've never seen it.
Oh, it's hilarious. We should watch it. Okay, now these are fully incorporated. I want to add a few extras just because I like chocolate chip cookies. There's another cookie sheet. All right, now the chocolate chips are fully incorporated.
There's these ones. I'm making them kind of small since we gotta give them to people.
Who doesn't love a mini cookie though? Okay, unlike the burgers, these are small. Is that gonna be right? That's small!
Small to you, compared to my little tiny small ones.
Okay, well, y'all can't be perfect at making small cookies, Kai. I guess I just don't know how to make anything small, I'm sorry. My small cookie is not good enough.
Nope.
Okay, what about this one? This one's smaller.
Okay. This one's a little too small, but that's all I had, so.
All right, so we're just gonna line the cookie sheet with the cookies and then pop them into the oven to bake.
Yes. Just lay down a little so the middle doesn't get all mushy.
I like soft cookies though.
Soft, yes, not mushy.
Alright, so these are gonna go into the oven they're gonna go in for 9 minutes, so we will be right back once they're done baking. Alright, so the cookies should be done by now. I personally prefer soft cookies. I don't like hard cookies. I think hard cookies are sad and they make me depressed. So we are gonna go ahead and try one. It looks like the first ones to be ready are the peanut butter and chocolate chip. Oh, I need to get a cute little lemon plate.
Oh, that was nice.
Ooh, okay.
Well, there's 2 cookies for starters.
Alright, so let's go ahead and try them. Oh, I love how soft they are. And I'm also burning my fingers. I'm gonna wait so I don't burn my mouth. How are they?
These are good. I burnt myself a little bit, but they're good.
Burning my... I'm just gonna go ahead.
Do it.
Hot. Delicious.
What do you think?
I think they're delicious.
I think so.
Again, they're soft. And then when they cool off, they'll still be soft. If you like hard cookies, that's totally fine. But you try them soft. Really good. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, they're not too sweet either. I like a perfect.
Like a perfect cookie.
I like them.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us and making these lovely cookies with us. We hope to see you again next Friday, for another fun-filled episode of Nerdy and Nibbles.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.